Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a Kris Toledo meta slack trick. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. And bind. Before you get into this video, going to be using the MK1 Diffraction Mark II. Go check out Kris Toledo and subscribe, and let's get into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're just going to roll into your basic undermount like so. From here, you're then going to pinch with your index finger and middle finger on your non-throw hand. And then you can unroll out that undermount. And as you should notice, a nice slack has formed. Once you've created this slack, what you're then going to do is whip it over, almost like you're doing a negative hook. But instead, you're going to also intercept the string connected to your yo-yo with your index finger on your non-throw hand. See, look how I stopped the yo-yo from, or in an ideal world, I've stopped the yo-yo from interacting with the slack. From here, then you can then push the yo-yo out to the front and then get it to engage with this slack, making sure that this string connected to your index finger is the one going into the yo-yo and not the one going over your wrist. From here, you can then pinch with your middle finger and index finger on your non-throw hand like so. Also remembering to pinch with your thumb. And then you can roll the yo-yo over, almost like you're rolling from an undermount over into like that chopstick element. Right, like so. But instead, what you're going to do is do that, but with the slack. So as you can see, that slack has come over. Now, ideally, you want this slack here to go behind the gap of the yo-yo, like so that when you let go of your thumb, you're in a green triangle. But if you don't, then you can just like flick it over. I'll be honest, that's what I do like 9 times out of 10. This is a really difficult trick, and it'll take a while to master. A few tips for you is when doing this slack, when doing the second slack even, I find you can almost like guide it in with your non-throw, or with your throw hand, sorry, as you just saw. So all you do to do that is sort of as it's coming over, just sort of try and get your hand in it, and just any amount of pressure on the string will flick it into the gap of the yo-yo pretty much, or it'll flick it onto the other side. So if you just like slant your hand a little bit, you should be good. So you're just guiding that slack into the gap of the yo-yo and then letting go of your thumb. From this green triangle, you can pop out the thumb and then bind. And yeah, that is literally the whole trick. I know it's quite short, but it's quite a difficult one. So don't be worried if it takes you a while to get down. It's taken me a while, and as you can tell, I'm still not the best at it. But I'll go over it one more time for you. So undermount, pinch with your middle finger, slack and intercept the yo-yo, like so. And then get it into the front of the yo-yo. Then do a second pinch, second slack, put it behind the yo-yo, green triangle, bind. Yeah, that is the whole tutorial. If you've got any comments or questions, please let me know down below. Otherwise, leave a like, subscribe. Go check out Kris Toledo. I'll leave all his links in the description, or I'll leave his YouTube and his Instagram at least. And yeah,